Perpetual demands from manufacturing sites for higher precision, more efficient streamlining, and need for cost reductions have tempered Sodick's technology and have won high acclaim in recent years from cutting-edge technology industries such as medical, biotechnology, and aerospace. Based on the fundamental principles of the words creation, implementation, and perseverance, where the company name originates from, Sodick strives to create the future of manufacturing. When aspiring to master the process of product making, there are always obstacles that get in the way and may not be easily overcome with existing products or technologies. Throughout its history of technical innovations, Sodick has confronted problems head-on and solved them one by one. Sodick's goal is to achieve the world's highest standard manufacturing possible. The technical foundation for this fundamental concept is comprised of 5 core technologies. Electrical Discharge Power Supply Unit. The history of Sodick began with the development of its original electrical discharge power supply unit in 1976. Electric discharge machining is a processing method in which dielectric fluid is interposed between an electrode and workpiece, and the repeated discharging of energy causes the workpiece to melt, explode, and disintegrate. This process requires the controlling of discharge pulse to optimize electrical discharge processing performance. Sodick enabled high-speed, wire-cut electrical discharge machining by making it possible to steadily generate 1 microsecond currents with no variability and finishing pulse control at the nanosecond level. In addition, arcless machining was made possible for die-sinker electric discharge machines by achieving optimum control of pulse width and current. CNC unit. By the end of the foundation year, Sodick delivered its first CNC die-sinker EDM equipped with a microcomputer. This feat was accomplished only 2 years after the microprocessor was ever introduced to the world. In 1979, the 27NC was exhibited at a trade show in Europe, and the world's first CNC die-sinker EDM with automatic electrode changing capability was sold. The CNC unit for numerically controlling machine tool operation made it possible for virtually anyone to carry out complex machining and expanded the demand for machine tools worldwide. To handle delicate numerical adjustments, Sodick in-house developed a CNC unit specifically designed for EDMs. By developing interface and software suited to each machine product, needs are met with great flexibility. Ceramics. In 1987, a building catering to the use of ceramics was built at the Kaga plant, and research began towards incorporating ceramic components into existing machines. In 1993, Sodick introduced a high-precision wire-cut EDM with the machine body made out of ceramic. The Fine Xera series was also developed in-house by Sodick and are now embraced by manufacturers of measuring instruments and semiconductor fabrication devices. Linear motor. Sodick was the very first company in the world to incorporate linear motor technology into machine tools. In 1998, Sodick announced the development of the world's first linear servo motor-driven high-speed CNC die sinker EDM. In comparison to a conventional ball-screw system, linear motors can generate outstanding motion speed, positioning accuracy, and fast response times, resulting in significantly improved machining performance. In addition, because there was no contact occurring in the mechanism during periods of continuous machine operation, there was no decline in performance over time, and maintenance costs are greatly reduced. The AQ series, introduced in 1999, was the world's first 3-axis linear motor drive, high-speed die sinker EDM, and has since earned wide acclaims and has won numerous awards. Currently, nearly all Sodick machine tools are equipped with linear motor drives. SMC. To ensure high-efficiency movements with the in-house developed linear motor system, it is absolutely critical that commands from the CNC are quickly and accurately processed. In order to achieve this, development of an original motion controller capable of controlling high-speed and high-precision linear motor movement was launched. An R&D company was established in San Jose, California in the year 2000, in a region known as the Technical Information Center of the world. This is how the Sodick motion controller, known as the SMC, that revolutionized Sodick's electrical discharge technology, was born. Moreover, in recent years, Sodick has developed a motion controller that uses cutting-edge link communication technology. PLC. Based on control technology fostered by the SMC, Sodick began development of the PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller. This is a device that is capable of not only sequential controlling of machine tools, but can also link to peripheral devices, allowing for automatic control of industrial machinery. Sodick holds many patents for core technologies around the world. Using its highly developed technology honed through machine tools, Sodick is expanding its business to a wide range of fields. One example of this is Sodick's industrial machinery business that revolves around the manufacturing and sales of injection molding machines for materials such as plastic. The molding division of Sodick, Tech, offers a diverse lineup of products including high-performance, high-precision injection molding machines capable of handling the demands of high-volume production. The injection molding machines are capable of handling various kinds of materials, including plastic resins and energy-saving, eco-friendly molding presses. In addition, the TOM division of Sodick Tech is engaged in the sales of food production equipment with a strong focus on noodle-making devices. A complete production line from the introduction of food materials to wrapping can be built incorporating equipment such as the direct drive roller or DDM, and has a full panel structure type inline CIP fully automated noodle boiling device, which is a machine capable of boiling, rinsing, and cooling the noodles. This equipment is widely used by noodle processing plants for convenience stores and food production manufacturers. Aiming to meet the need to save energy, Sodick also engages in the development of next-generation LED lighting. The FTAC circuit was uniquely developed by Sodick and optimizes control to generate efficient lighting. The power source is built into the body, eliminating the need for construction at the time of installation. Sodick is also engaged in the development, manufacturing, and sales of peripheral devices, consumables, and other products for EDMs. Sodick has also established an environmentally friendly system for the collection and recycling of used wire electrodes. Sodick is expanding globally to provide support for manufacturing worldwide. At the center of this expansion is the head office in Yokohama and R&D locations in Shanghai and California. The construction of the head office building in Kohoku, Newtown, Yokohama was completed in 1989. Shanghai Sodick Software was established in Shanghai, China in 1991. Sodick America in Silicon Valley, California was established in 2000, where research and development takes place in collaboration with Sodick Japan. In addition, Sodick's production sites are strategically spread out throughout Japan and overseas to effectively meet the needs of customers. Domestically, the Fukui plant in Japan serves as the production site for ultra-high precision machines and high-speed machining centers, as well as all specialized machines. Suzhou Sodick Special Equipment in Suzhou, China, Sodick Amoy in Amoy, China, and Sodick Thailand in Thailand were established as high-volume machine production facilities. Established in 1988, Sodick Thailand manufactures Sodick's main staple machine models and represents the core of the group. Key machine components such as linear motors, printed circuit boards, and ceramic parts are also produced at this location, and EDMs are fully manufactured here as well. However, the greatest advantage is the ability to directly carry out designs and developments as needed for high-volume production machines. The linear motor drive die sinker and wire cut AG series EDM were also independently developed at this production site and are now sold in countries throughout the world, including Japan, North America, and Europe. In recent years, when companies relocated production sites to foreign countries and struggled, the local people of Thailand exhibited high technical abilities and the capability for new developments. Sodick Thailand became the greatest example for success towards further global expansion. With its focus on development of new technologies and production locations, Sodick is intent on supporting the globalization of manufacturing throughout the entire world. Sodick is building a production and sales structure that embraces not only Japan, China, Asia, the USA, and Europe, the world's 5 largest markets, but also aims at emerging countries such as India with large market potential for the next generation. Sodick aspires to become a further diversified global corporation capable of responding to a wide variety of needs from manufacturing sites in any country at any time, with the goal of pursuing a bright and enriched society.